Hi, Grade 6. After we finished talking about Unit 2, Lesson 1, which was talking about the types of the electric lamps, light bulbs, and fluorescent lamps, and also we talked about the two ways of connecting the electric lamps, series connection and parallel connection, and also we talked about the electric circuits. Today, I want to start Unit 2, Lesson 2. Dangers of electricity and how to deal with it. Electricity is one of the angels that we cannot imagine our life without it. So it also has benefits and dangers. First, let's talk about the benefits or uses of the electricity in our daily life. Number one, the electricity is used to cook food and preserve it cold. Also, it's used to light our houses, factories, streets. And also, it's used in operating some machines, such as radios, televisions, washing machines, toys, and a lot of machines. So, there are benefits or uses of electricity in our daily life, and we can't imagine our life without electricity. But before studying the dangers of electricity, we have to know what is meant by electric conductors and electric insulators. The materials are divided into two types: electric conductors and electric insulators. And these materials are divided according to their conductivity of electricity. There are some materials are called electric conductors, and some materials are called electric insulators. Let's talk in details about the electric conductors. They are the materials that allow the flow of electricity through them, such as water and all the metals, iron, copper, aluminium, lead. When the electric conductors are connected to the electric circuit, they close the circuit and allow the electric current to flow through the circuit. It becomes closed electric circuit, as we said before. So, the electric conductors, they are the materials that allow the flow of electricity through them, such as all metals and water. What about the electric insulators? They are the opposite of the electric conductors. They are the materials that don't allow the flow of electricity through them, such as wood, plastic, rubber, clothes, glass. When the electric insulators are connected to the electric circuit, they make the electric circuit opened. It becomes an opened electric circuit. So, the electric current or the electricity cannot flow through the circuit. So, the electric insulators, they are the materials that don't allow the flow of electricity through them, such as wood, plastic, rubber, clothes, glass. The electric cables or wires are made of copper, which is an electric conducting material. The electric cables are covered with plastic, which is an electric insulating material. Why? In order to avoid the dangers of electricity when we deal with the electric cables. Any wire is made of copper and covered with plastic to avoid any danger of electricity when you touch it. Okay, now we can talk about the dangers of the electricity. The dangers of the electricity are resulted from the improper use of the electricity. If you deal with the electricity in a careless way, you will find a lot of dangers. The dangers can be divided into direct injuries and indirect injuries. Direct include fires resulting from the electricity, which are called electric fires. And number 2, the electric shock. Number 3, burns resulting from the electric current, which are called electric burns. And the indirect, like injuries that result from falling from top of ladder due to an electric shock. Now we will talk about the direct injuries or the direct dangers resulted from the electricity in details. Number 1, fires resulting from electricity or the electric fires. The electric fires, they are fires that occur as a result of an increase in the temperature of the electric machines. So, fires resulted from increase in the temperature of the electric machines are called electric fires. What are the reasons of the electric fires? Number 1, placing an electric machine that generates heat, as electric iron, electric heater, and spotlight, close to some flammable materials, as furniture, curtains, carpets, clothes. Flammable means that they may be burned or fired quickly. Number 2, plugging more than one machine to one socket that causes electric overload, so the wires heat up, causing fires. So we must not plugging more than one machine to one socket. It's very dangerous and it may cause an electric fire. Number 3, not disconnecting the electric current from the electric machines that generate heat after use. And this is also causes an increase in the temperature of the machine and causing fires. So when you finish working with any electric machine, when you finish using any electric machine, you must disconnect the electric current from the electric machine. Give reason. Plugging more than one machine to one socket causes electric fires. Why? Because it causes electric overload, so the wires heat up and causing electric fires. Another give reason. Not disconnecting the electric current from the electric machine after use causes fires. The answer, because this increases the temperature of the machine, causing electric fires. What is the difference between regular fires and fires caused by electricity? What is the difference between normal fire or regular fires and the electric fires? The electric fires, sand is used to put out them. Sand is used to put out the electric fires. Why we cannot use water? Because water is a good conductor of electricity. So it will increase the fire. For that, we put off the electric fire by using sand. Water is not used to put out the electric fires because water is good conductor of electricity, so it will increase the fire. While the regular fires, water can be used to put out them. Number 2 of the dangers of the electricity, the electric shock. What the definition of the electric shock? What the meaning of the electric shock? It's one of the dangers of the electricity that causes due to the passing of the electric current through the human body. So when an electric current passes through the human body, it causes an electric shock. You must know that the human body is a good conductor of electricity. Why? Because 70% of the human body contains water. The electric shock happens when your body is a part of a closed electric circuit, where the electric current flows from a part of your body and comes out from another part. And be careful, because in many cases the electric shock causes death. What are the harms of the electric shock? It may cause a lot of harms, but the harms of the electric shock depend on: Number 1, the strength of the electric current that passes through the human body. What the strength of the electricity which passes through the body. And number 2, the time taken by the electric current to pass through the human body. How long? Okay, what are the reasons of the electric shock? Number 1, if a part of your body touches a non-insulating wire that has an electric current inside it, and another part of your body touches the ground, it may cause electric shock. Number 2, if a part of your body touches a non-insulating wire that has an electric current inside it, while another part of your body touches a material conducting electricity and connected to the ground. Number 3, if you touch 2 non-insulating wires that have electric currents. All of them cause electric shock. Let's talk about the third danger of the electricity, which is called the electric burn. Burns resulting from the electric current, they are called electric burns. What the definition of the electric burns, or what is the meaning of the electric burn? Electric burns, they are burns that result from electricity and cause the damage of the body tissue. Damage of the body tissue. Okay, what are the reasons of the electric burns? Number 1, if a part of your body touches a source of electric current directly, in this case the electric burns happen as a result of the electric shock. So electric shock may cause an electric burn. Number 2, if a part of your body touches fire or spark resulting from the electric fire, of course it will cause an electric burn. Number 3, if a part of your body touches an electric machine that generates heat, such as electric iron, electric heater, it may cause also electric burn. Precautions in dealing with electricity. How to deal with the electricity in your life. Number 1, don't place any flammable material such as furniture, curtains, clothes, paper close to the electric machine that generates heat, as electric iron or electric heater. It's very dangerous and it may cause electric fire. Number 2, don't place several connections in the same socket. Also, it's very dangerous. It may cause an electric fire. Number 3, don't insert a metallic object in the socket, as nail, metallic wire, or any non-insulated screwdriver. Why? Because it may cause an electric shock for you. Number 4, don't touch the electric machines that are connected to the electric current with wet hand. You know that the water is a good conductor of electricity, so it's very dangerous and it may cause an electric shock. Number 5, don't play with the electric connections. It's very dangerous. It may cause an electric shock. Number 6, don't try to fix or clean any electric machine while being connected to the electric current. You must disconnect the machine first. If you don't do that, you will have an electric shock. Number 7, don't place the electric wires extending on the ground so no one trips on them while walking. Number 8, don't leave an electric machine that generates heat connected to the electric current while taking a bath, because it may cause an electric fire. Number 9, don't leave the wires naked and not insulated. It may cause an electric shock. Number 10, place a piece of plastic in the socket to prevent inserting another body in it, especially if you have small children inside your house. I hope you understand this lesson. It's very easy and interesting one. I want you to study it by yourself again. Listen to the video again. And after doing that, I want you to try to answer worksheet number 4. And in the next video, we will answer this worksheet together. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.